my skirt, a puppet show. It's Punch and Judy for today.
Punch is a jolly good fellow. That's me. His dress is all scarlet and yellow. And sometimes he gets a little mellow. But only among his good friends. Oh, ruppity-tuppity-tum. Oh, ruppity-tuppity, ruppity-tuppity, ruppity-tuppity. Ta-da! Because I'm beautiful, right?
Yes.
And I'm rich.
Ooh.
Yeah.
Ooh.
And I'm married. Hey, Judy, come on up. Oh, she's a beauty. Mr. Punch. Judy, give me a kiss. Oh, no, 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 no. Judy, give me a little kiss. Oh, no, 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 no. Judy, a little teeny, weeny, weeny, weeny kiss. Come on. Quick, I'm dying. Ah, more. Mr. Punch, the baby is asleep. Meh, meh, meh. You woke the baby. Meh, meh, meh. Wait till you see the baby. The baby looks just like me. I'm his dada. He's got a big nose and he's as bald as a coot. Mr. Punch, what? You hold the baby. Me. I'll make the coffee. Okay. Oh, the baby smells funny. I'm gonna put the baby down here to dry out. Meh. Don't cry, baby. Meh. Shh. Meh. Lullaby. Meh. Whoa. He likes that. Whoa. He loved that. Whoa. He's drying out. No. Mr. Punch, I caught the baby. You did? Yes. How could you? Me? You mean me? I am leaving you. I'm joining Rise Up, and I'm gonna demand that the SROs get out of the high schools so this little one doesn't have to put up with that. Goodbye. I'm on my own. Oh my gosh. What'll I do? Maybe I'll take a little snooze? A little nap? Yeah, that's what I do when I don't know what to do. Nighty-nighty. Karoo, do you want to give me a kiss?
No, you're married.
Oh, yeah. And I don't snore. What was that? What was it?
Ghost.
You believe in a ghost?
See him.
Ooh. It's a ghost. Why did you tell me? Oh, I am the ghost of all of your past deeds. Oh my gosh, this is like Scrooge. Yes, and you had better shape up. How do you mean? Shape up. Really? Yes, or the devil is going to get you. Oh, I'm scared of the devil. Did you ever see the devil? What did I ever do to deserve this? Just because I'm living my own life quietly and not helping at the African Roots Library. Like that. I'm just rolling along with the times. Ah! Whoa. Mr. Punch? What? You're coming with me to hell. Oh no, I don't deserve that. Yes, you're coming into my hot sauce. I don't want to go into the hot sauce. Down! No. Down! No. Down! No. Down! Ha-ha! I got Mr. Punch and I'm warning you, Ethan. If you live a life like Mr. Punch, you go down with me to hell! Wow. It worked. Bravo. This means no more taxes. No more parking tickets. You don't even have to pay health insurance. Everything is gonna be okay. I want punch for lunch. Whoa. I want punch for lunch. Listen, they got a deli, but it's down the hill. I want punch for... No. Oh. There once was a fellow named Punch. I ate him for lunch. Into my stomach he had to go, but I might let him out for the next show. Yeah. Yes, no, yes, no. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Oh, wait. I think Punch is coming. Oh my gosh. Oh, it's a real funny story. What can we say? Hey, you guys. I came out of the poop hole of the alligator into the rondout, and I got caught in a net. And now I don't know quite what to do.
I am the SRO.
Oh, I'll let you out. You will? But you have to sell your soul. Puppets don't have a soul. I think they do. All right, I'll sell my soul. Go for it. Whoa, this is painful. And what about my soul? Oh. I don't feel any different, even. What do you think about that? Just moseying along, feeling like my normal self. But, oh, here comes my old friend, Casey. Hello, Punch. Hello. You look terrible. What do you mean? What happened to you? Well, I lost my soul. Oh, no. You have to get it back. I don't know how to get it back. You have to get it back. Well, how do you get back that? Well, you listen to good words. Good words? Yes. I have a friend. He just passed. And we'll ask him to come and give you... Stop trembling. Good words. What's his name? I'll go hide. His name? Well, his name is John. That's his first name. And his last name is Louis. Hello, John.
There comes a time when you have to be prepared to literally put your physical body in the way to go against something that is evil, unjust, and you're prepared to suffer the consequences. But whatever you do, whatever your response is, it's with love, kindness, and a sense of faith. In my religious tradition, is this belief that it's going to work out. It is going to work out. It's all going to be all right.
That's right. It's all going to be all right. Thank you.
Thank you and goodbye.